Good morning, dear children. Today we will start a new lesson for the early man. Our next lesson is early man. Can you imagine a life without the houses we live? Delicious food, means of communication, and means of transport like car, bus, and so on? It would be very difficult. In this lesson, you are going to learn about the life of early man. I know you all are very excited to know about the early man. Well, who are these early men? Have you heard about early men? Early men are people who lived many years ago on the earth. Early men are people who lived many years ago on the earth. About thousands of years ago, they lived on the earth. The lifestyle of early men were entirely different from us. What do you mean by the lifestyle of a person? Which means his way of communication, his way of dressing, his way of food habits, and so on. Let's see the lifestyle of early men in detail. Early men lived in jungles, and with them other wild animals also lived. They were afraid of larger and bigger wild animals in the forest. So, to protect themselves from these wild animals, early men started to live on trees. Why did early men live on trees? They lived on trees because they had to protect themselves from the wild animals. That's why they lived on the trees. But this could not give them full protection. So, to protect themselves from the wild animals and the bad weather conditions like rain and wind, they started to live in caves. The physical appearance of early men were entirely different from us. How? They had hairy body. The appearance of early men were entirely different from us. Now let's see the food habits of the early man. Presently we all live in a nice house with lots of facility. But early men did not have permanent place to live. They moved from place to place in search of food. Why early men moved from place to place? Because they had to search food. That's why they moved from place to place. Now let's see what they used to eat. They ate wild fruits and vegetables and also the roots of the plants. He killed animals and ate their flesh without cooking. So what they used to eat? They ate wild fruits, roots of plants, and raw flesh. Why they ate raw flesh? Because they did not know how to cook food. So they ate raw flesh. What do you mean by raw flesh? Raw flesh means uncooked meat. Along with that, early men did not have any language to communicate each other. Early men did not have any language to speak. So, to communicate each other, they grunted like animals, which means they started copying animals' sound to communicate each other. To protect ourselves, we used clothes. But early men did not have clothes like us. They used leaves and bark of trees to cover their body. The meaning of bark of trees is the outer layer of tree. So early men used leaves and bark of trees to cover their body. What did early men use to make dress? They used leaves and bark of trees to make their dress. As we discussed earlier, early man was afraid of wild animals. So he has to protect himself from the wild animals. So to protect, he started to kill wild animals. How did he kill the animals? By using sharp weapons made of horns and bones of these killed animals. And also they used stones and large sticks to kill the animals. Living in groups were safer, and also they went to hunt in groups. While they moved from place to place, they noticed that from the seed small plants were growing up. This gave him the idea of producing his own food. Thus, he started farming. This helped him to stop moving from one place to another in search of food. From the stop of wandering from place to place, he started a settled life which began to make houses of mud and leaves. Isn't it interesting to know how the early men were living? Children, read the textbook several times and do the exercise that given in the textbook at back. Thank you. See you in the next class.